Whether you are struggling in your business, whether your business is stable, or whether you are already successful, this mistake applies to you. A lot of entrepreneurs make the mistake of not investing in their learning. Now, why do I say that? Please understand this. Business is a science. Creating a profitable and a scalable business model is a science. There are methods and templates to structuring your business model in a manner where it's profitable and scalable. Marketing is a science. There are methods and strategies to attract your prospective customers so that they run after you. So marketing is also a science. Sales is a science. There are methods and templates of closing the deal in a manner where you are in control of the sale and you're not left at the mercy of your customer. Building a second line team of leaders is a science. There are methods and structures of how you develop leaders, how you transfer capabilities to team members. Creating a high performance culture is also a science. There are mechanisms of conversations you need to have to be able to define and design a culture in your business. Creating processes, systems, structures in the operations of your business, managing money, everything in business is a science. And the unfortunate reality is no school, no college, no university has taught us these sciences. Having said that, this is where entrepreneurs make the mistake. They think their education has ended with the end of their school, college, or university. No. That's when you need real world education, and that's why you need to invest in learning. That's why you need to invest in reading books, attending seminars, workshops, signing up with coaches and having mentors, because these are the people who can teach you that sciences. Whether you're struggling, whether you're stable, or whether you are successful, there's always a next level. So if you're successful, you can't sit in your comfort zone and say, we are making enough money, so we don't have to learn. Remember, any brand, any business that has stopped learning has started collapsing. Think about all the names you've heard of that have collapsed after dominating a particular market. They've collapsed because they did not learn and they did not reinvent themselves. So don't look at your success and become comfortable with it, sit in your comfort zone and become complacent about it. Reinvent so that you keep growing. If you're stable, don't sit in that comfort zone and feel happy that life is good. Life is good today. I'm not here to scare you, by the way, but all I'm saying is there is a next level. Play for that next level. And if you're struggling, then life is staring at you in the face and saying you need to learn, because your results are a reflection of who you are. And if you're not producing the desired results, then life is staring at you in the face and saying you need to learn. So make sure that you invest in learning. You find the right mentor, you find someone who's been there and done that, someone who's produced the results that you desire to produce, and have them on board as a mentor and learn from them. That is the number one mistake that I see. That's why I have kept it for the last. Not investing in education is a sign of ignorance. Knowing that investing in education is important and still not doing it is a sign of indifference. So don't be ignorant, don't be indifferent, be intelligent and invest in learning.